Hello, welcome back to this channel. My name is Peter and I'm so excited to have you around. In this video, I'll be talking about the next project, the next coin, the next crypto on my top 10 crypto projects or top 10 coin for massive gain in 2021. We've done 1 to 5 and then this is the sixth one I'll be talking about. Now, but before I get into the discussion for today, after this video you might want to check the first, second, third, fourth and fifth coin I've spoken about, so that you can be able to follow up on how the series has been. So also, if you are new on this channel, kindly consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so that you can get alerted when other videos drop. You don't want to miss my next few coin and other quality videos that are coming from on this channel in this new year. So kindly just subscribe now and turn on your notification bell. So that said, let's get into the discussion of the day. Today I'll be talking about Cardano, now known as other ADA Cardano. So Cardano is not a new project. It's not in the category of some of the coins I've spoken about. But then Cardano is a project you should pay attention to. Let's start from who is in charge, or who is the founder of Cardano. Cardano was founded by Charles Oxen. Now this guy was formerly part of Ethereum. Yes, it was part of Ethereum, left, and then all of those things. You know how some of these things work. So now he's currently he founded Cardano. So basically we have three organizations that pushing the Cardano project, or that we can say at the bottom of the Cardano project. But one of the most popular part of them, the most popular one is the IOHK. So we have the Cardano Foundation, we have the IOHK, and then we have the Emugo also. So these are the three organizations pushing, and then they are all doing well in their respective duty to get this done. But then that's not what we are talking about. Basically, why should you pay attention to Cardano in this new year? Since Cardano has been for a while, so why is it so important to pay attention to it in this new year? Now, Cardano seems to figure out and solve every problem that Ethereum is currently having. So the bet we are currently having, and one of the reasons I want you to pay attention to Cardano is this: in this new year, one blockchain has to win. I mean, one platform has to win. We know Ethereum is the king or the queen of the market, but then if you understand Ethereum a little bit, you will know that Ethereum has some scalability challenge, and that's one of the reasons we are expecting that they will launch Ethereum 2.0, which is on the way. Now, of course, many of those problems is supposed to be solved in Ethereum 2.0, but we don't know yet. Now, so we have Ethereum sitting on one side. We have Polkadot, which was also founded by an ex Ethereum co-founder. So now we have Polkadot, and Polkadot is a new project, less than 6 months, and is already doing massively well. I mean, the projects on it are massively, I mean, one project on it, KSM already did 55x, another one is doing 3x. So we have massive stuff happening on Polkadot, and then here we have Cardano also being scalable and being able to do almost everything Ethereum is having challenges with. And one of the things that stand out for Cardano, like other ones, is the fact that now Cardano has developed a technology that help ERC token to move into the Cardano blockchain very easily. So if we ever see a reason for this ERC project, to start migrating, like there won't be any issue for them migrating into the Cardano blockchain. Now, Polkadot are said not to be a competitor to Cardano. I mean um, to Ethereum, but then to help, you know, to help make Ethereum better. Now, Polkadot is saying that they are not here to compete with anybody, but to help them get better. Now, Cardano is obviously a competitor, and then there is competition in the market, truly speaking. So we need to look at all of that. So let me not bore you with all of those story with the founders and the projects. I know you are here for the money, and that's what I'm going to be talking about. So let's look at the charts. Now, if I just focus on this chart alone, let me remove this fib. So if I focus on this chart alone, look at this. Let me go to the weekly chart. So if I go to this, look at this, we currently have something trending up. Now, this price was obviously rejected, so it's a strong support already. So we have 15 cents as a strong support, and market is already going up from there. Now, when I opened this chart, it was on the daily time frame, and this was what I was trying to get out. Now, using my Fibonacci tool, the truth is, if you look at this clearly, we could as well look at this as a breakout of some form of consolidation. Look at this. Let me remove this. So look at this. So let's just put it here. Now, market has been consolidating from here to here and eventually broke out and retest the boundary of the consolidation. Now, that's one. Two, if I pull up my fib from this swing low to this swing high, we can see that this weak rejection was rejected from 61.8, 50.0, 30 and then currently below 23.6. Now, the fact that it has rejected all the PR level is confidence enough for me to jump in on this trade. But then, just to have a very good confirmation, just to wait for your confirmation, we'll probably wait for a bullish engulfing of this pin bar, and then after that, maybe we can see something very high coming next. But then, like I love to say, investing in crypto, especially with what we currently have, so you might just want to have, since you are currently sitting on a support, you might just want to have a position there and then wait for what happens next to see if you're going to add more position soon or not. So that we don't miss out of anything, you might want to have a position, because this is obviously a support here. The price is currently sitting confidently above that support after a rejection has taken place. So you might just want to pay attention to that. Let's see what happens if price decide to come down. Let me delete this. What's going to happen if price decides to come down? So from this current price decides to come a little bit down. How much are we risking? We are risking some 12%. But then what we are looking at is something far more solid. Because if you enter here, what I'm waiting for is price to do some 30 cents for us. I need price to do 30 cents. And what is that telling us? We are talking about some 100%, 80%, 100% for a start. So that's something. So the question is, the next question now is, where can I get Cardano? Where can I buy Cardano? Cardano, I've been in Cardano for a while because Cardano is a long-term hold. Bull or no bull market, Cardano is a long-term hold. Look at the Look at the all-time chart. You can see this surge here. You don't want to not pay attention to this. You want to pay attention to what is happening here. Now, one of the things that makes investment in Cardano reliable is a solid project. It's been a solid project from the very beginning, and then they are not losing steam, they are not losing confidence, they are not losing anything. So you can buy Cardano on Binance, you can buy Cardano on Kraken, you can buy Cardano on many other places. So so if you don't have a Binance account, I'm going to drop a link for you where you can with that link you can create an account and start trading on Binance. So it is very important that you do your own research. Like I love to say, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research, and then okay, you can also buy Cardano on OKEX. So I'm going to drop my link for Cardano, for Binance and OKEX. You guys know I love those two exchanges very well. So I'm going to drop the link so that you can register an account with both and start trading. And congratulations to the Bitcoin holders out there. Bitcoin is really giving us a nice vibe in this new year. So I've been having questions about, you've been speaking about different coins in the last few days. You never mentioned Bitcoin and Ethereum. Are they not important? Now the truth is, just for you to know, in my own perspective, I do not consider Bitcoin and Ethereum as altcoins. That's just it. I know Bitcoin is not altcoin, Ethereum is technically an altcoin, but I do not consider it because that's the foundation of any crypto. So any crypto wallet, any crypto, whatever you are in this crypto space, you must have both. You just cannot. I don't advise you go invest in anything until you have some Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you need to have Bitcoin and Ethereum to start with. So with those two, you cannot be wrong. Now, of course, does that mean I should go buy them now? No. If you don't have a position in them, don't join now, because Bitcoin is currently around 32,000 and you don't want to jump. This is a new all-time high. You don't want to jump into it like that. It's a dangerous move. Ethereum also is less than its all-time high, but then it's also dangerous. But for Ethereum, you can just wait for a pullback and join if you must have that. But then you might still get into Ethereum now, but into Bitcoin, I will tell you to hold on for a while and let's see what's happened next, because this is a new all-time high. Market moving from 19,000 to 30,000 and 32,000, and then it is just, you don't know how far the retracement is going to be, so you don't want to buy a funny knife. So if you understand what I've said so far and you think there's value in this video for you, kindly smash the like button, click the subscription button, and also turn on your notification bell so that you can get alerted when quality video drop on this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.